Okay, how's it going, guys? My name is Clay and this is the Mad Hatter Media channel. Welcome back. It's good to have you here. And as you guys can plainly see right here, I just got my OnePlus 9 and I'm pretty excited about it. I've been a OnePlus fan ever since about the OnePlus 6, about that generation, and I've always liked what they had going on. I always kind of felt like they provided you a lot for your money. Things have kind of shifted now, but regardless, their phones are definitely products that I've been wanting to try for years now, and I'm finally getting around to it. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. This is actually my first OnePlus phone, and I always do a lot of research beforehand when I make a purchase decision. So I pretty much already know exactly what I signed up for, as well as all the specs and hardware that comes in it. So basically, I've already done tons and tons of research on this phone, what comes in the box. I pretty much already know everything about it, but I just wanted to do a nice thing for you guys because I'm almost up to 200 subscribers now, and I wanted to do something nice to show you guys who have already subscribed that I appreciate you, and I just want to say thank you very much. I got this in the mail and I honestly just wanted to open it up myself, but I thought that that would be kind of selfish because, again, so many of you guys who have already subscribed have been so good to me. So what I'm saying is, let's do this thing, but we're gonna do it together. All right, let's get into it. Got the co-development with Hasselblad trademark. That's another part of the reason that I really felt like I should have shared this, is that most phone brands and manufacturers definitely do not do it up like OnePlus does when it comes to the box, presentation, and everything else you get inside of the box. So this is definitely a good one to do. Got the Beast, the Snapdragon 888. And yeah, just beautiful. I'm gonna keep this box forever, I guarantee it. Okay, let's do it. Got that trademark, never settle. Hot to the touch. This is probably the most excited I'm ever going to get about a phone. It's my first OnePlus. This is going to be my first experience with Oxygen OS. Yeah, it's going to be cool. I'm looking forward to it. And if any of you already know me, you know I didn't go with the Pro because I didn't want the curved screen. Flat screens are the way to go, if you ask me. All around, hands down. Let's see what else we got. Okay. Got the classic red warp charger cable. Beautiful. That is so cool. And this looks like it could be like a 6-foot cable. Okay, you even got the little clips right here. Wow. Okay. Okay. So got both of those. Boom. Let's check this out. Oh man, I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm gonna say that's, hold on. Okay, I'm gonna say it's like a 4-foot cable, which is ample. If it's at least 3, we're plenty good. Got the warp charge block. Looks like we got the plastic over right now. One sec. And okay, nothing else in the box. Let's open this up, see what's in here. Nice, okay. Nice. I feel like this is gonna go in the water bottle. Not really, wouldn't really match. I guess I could do a black one. Yeah, that'll work. That'll go nice. Wow, okay, what a cool SIM tool. Wow, this thing is beefcake. Dude, Okay, that's definitely gonna be my new favorite sim tool, that's for sure. Yeah, definitely a decent size. I had no idea it would come with something like that. Dang, dude, this cable is so thick. This is the thickest cable that I own now. Jeez. Yeah, dummy thick for sure. Okay, let's get this started up. Okay, so I logged into my account and started loading my apps and data from one of my backups. And to be clear about this, guys, yes, I'm very excited to learn and start using this new phone, but that does not mean that I don't still love any of the other phones. So I still got love for the Ultra, still use the iPhone on the daily, and still love using my Google Pixel 5. I'm gonna finish setting up my fingerprint. Okay, now I'm gonna do the other. Okay, so the first couple things that I always do, first of all, I always crank the brightness all the way up. That's the only way to live life. And next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna calibrate the colors to my liking. Let's go into settings, display, turn off adaptive. I'm gonna hit vibrant color effect. I'm gonna hit yes. Advanced. And we're gonna keep it on AMOLED wide gamut. To me, the colors are the most vibrant, they pop the most, and it's the most pleasing to my eye. So we're just gonna roll with that for right now. And yeah, pretty dang cool. I always make sure I get those out of the way first. For me to completely customize and move everything around the way I like, that'll take a little bit more time. But regardless, that's the main stuff for me. So I'm really curious on what it's gonna be like to use the slider. I hear pretty much everybody loves it, and I probably will too. But yeah, the build and design of this phone feels everything that it should be, and I'm going to be playing with it and testing it a lot. So lots of good stuff to look forward to. Oh, and just as a disclaimer, you guys, for anybody else who has watched the video all the way to this point, well, that probably means that you're probably fairly interested in OnePlus phones, and maybe even more specifically than that, the OnePlus 9 and OnePlus 9 Pro. And I'm fully aware and have watched pretty much all the reviews from the main tech YouTubers and reviewers who have gone over and have personally reviewed the phone. So I'm aware that the Hasselblad camera system may still be a little bit lackluster. You know, no matter what, you really can't deny that it looks pretty cool still. I'm aware as far as the camera system, the computational photography aspects of it. I'm aware that the colors can still probably be tuned in more. Part of that can be done through software tuning, but realistically, most of it, as far as where we're going to see most of the improvements, are going to be on the next version's phones. This is the first year of multiple when it comes to OnePlus and their Hasselblad collaboration. And though I agree with most tech YouTubers on how maybe this phone doesn't quite live up to all of the hype that Hasselblad has been marketing and branding with it, it's probably mainly because they went so hard and so far in on the marketing and the hype of this collaboration. I personally wasn't really expecting the collaboration between Hasselblad and OnePlus to immediately blow me away with the technology and photographical prowess that they were going to initially be able to offer. And that's pretty much exactly what happened. We all know that this is high-end hardware and it's still an overall great camera system, but at the same time, we both know that OnePlus and Hasselblad are still continuing to further and develop how far that they can take this software, technology, and collaboration as a whole. So I think in probably the next OnePlus phone, or maybe soon in the future, we're gonna get something really sweet and really special out of it. But for the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy the heck out of this phone because, like I said, this phone is kind of special to me, It's my first OnePlus. It's still got excellent hardware. The camera system is still very good overall. It's got a Snapdragon 888 in it, a 120 hertz panel, and there's just a lot to love. So I'm gonna continue to use this, and I'll continue to share my thoughts on it the longer and longer that I've used it for. So yeah, guys, I already know the stance and the consensus as far as what the internet thinks about this phone. And most of what has been said is fair, but taking all that into account, I still ended up saying that this one is the phone for me. So yeah, it's gonna be cool. If you guys made it to this far in the video, you're amazing. But even more importantly than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video and my quick little overview. That's gonna be it for this one. If you guys would like to see more tech videos, reviews, things of that nature, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.